Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get unrestricted on Wizz. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, what you gotta do is you gotta simply go ahead and open up your Wizz app. First thing first you're gonna do is you're gonna simply go ahead and go to your settings and go to help. Basically that's what you got to do. But if you have been unrestricted, if you haven't restricted and you cannot access your account, the only thing that you can do is go back, simply press on hold and tap on remove app or uninstall your app from your device. Afterwards, you guys simply go to your app store, play store, and download a VPN. Once you have got a nice and perfect free VPN on you which has a strong connection, you're gonna go ahead and select a VPN provider. You're gonna simply connect to a server in a different country which is not in your region, obviously. Then you're gonna reinstall your Wizz. Afterwards, once you have connected to another network in a country, you're gonna open up your Wizz, and then you're gonna create a new account there with the fresh details and other details. But make sure that if you have violated guidelines of Wizz, and it will be hard for you to simply get unrestricted, because that is just not good if you have wrongfully been unrestricted. Then you're so hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.